I want to just say from the financial planning side of things, there are financial tools that are going to avoid the probate, right? So your life insurance policies and also your annuity products, which have beneficiaries already assigned, will not go through the probate process. Also, those tax qualified monies like the 401ks and the IRAs and things like that, they too have the beneficiaries assigned as well. And that's correct. Those tax qualified accounts, which a lot of people have their retirement savings in those as well, they will go around probate as well because of the beneficiary. Is that true?
Yeah, that's exactly it. That's one of the benefits of having professionals help you with your investing and also with your planning, because people like you, Mark, are going to make sure that those accounts that would trigger a probate, they're going to have a designated person or a couple people that are going to receive that money when you die. And what you're describing, we would call that a designated beneficiary, sometimes also called a transfer on death. It's the same thing. All of those types of designations automatically bypass probate. Where we sometimes get into trouble is there's certain assets you cannot designate
like
a beneficiary.
Real estate, right? Real estate.
You got it.
Yeah.
Yep. Real estate is the number one trigger for probate. And I would say 98% of people I meet with do not realize if your name is on the deed of a home, whether it's paid off or whether you're still making a mortgage on it, that will trigger a probate in your state. And unless you consider putting that in a trust, your family can expect to go through the probate process to transfer that real estate out of your name and get your name off of the title so they can sell it and distribute money. And none of that can happen. And I want to be really clear on this. They are not even allowed to rent or put the house up for sale until they start that probate procedure. The real estate agents are not allowed to even go under a contract to put a home up for sale unless that title has been cleared off through probate.
Wow. Well, there's a good reason, folks, to take Marcella up on her offer of 30 minutes with anybody with regards to having that phone conversation, having a Zoom conversation, discuss what you currently have, discuss what you could have, and she can define things pretty quickly in that 30 minutes. So with that, that's how to avoid probate and what is probate. We have to look forward to these things and make sure that we keep our family stressed down when we are gone and keep our family happy through that grieving process too, not to have to stress out about the financial side of things. So with that, we'll see you there. You should find the link down below. We'll see you later.